In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Roblox. So what this means is that if you have a Roblox account and you want to buy Robux, then the Robux are going to be priced in a certain currency. So that might be pounds, it might be dollars, it might be euros. It can range what currency. So what I'm going to teach you today is how to change the currency you actually pay for Robux in. Now, this can be very useful if you're from one country. So, for example, you're from England, but they keep coming up in euros or something like that, and you want to change it to pounds. Then I'm going to teach you how to do that. Now, they used to have this a lot easier, and they've actually changed this recently to make it a lot harder, but you can still do it, and I'm going to show you how. So let's get right into this. The first thing we need to actually do is we need to go ahead and stop playing Roblox. And then we actually need to go onto Google Chrome here. So once we go onto Google Chrome, we need to go to the Roblox website. And the Roblox website is roblox.com/home. And we need to log into it. So you can see I'm logged in here to Roblox. So now that I'm logged in here, we actually need to go to the top and go to settings and go to settings here. Now, originally you would have just had to unlock your account and then you could just change the currency here, or it might have been in billing. But you can no longer do that. They don't have a currency selector anymore, which is very annoying. Instead, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get yourself a VPN. And yes, we've all heard of VPNs before. This is a really good use for VPNs. So VPN. And there's tons of different ones you can get. You can get NordVPN. Just pick one that's free for a free trial or something like that. So what you need to do on the VPN is you need to change your country to somewhere that has the currency you want. So if you're looking to get it in pounds, change it to the UK. If you want it to be in euros, go somewhere in Europe. If you want it in dollars, then go to America. And basically just change your country to match the currency that you're trying to pay in. But that's basically how you would go about doing it. So yeah, if you found this video useful and you did enjoy it, be sure to go down below and like and subscribe, and also comment down below this video did help you so that other people can get the same information. Now, that's basically all you need to know. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.